Hello everyone. I, Monica Chiller, once again welcome you all on behalf of Shri Ramabharati Public School. Today, in this video, we will be discussing with functional foremanship. This is one of the most important topic from chapter 2, 12th Business Studies. Let's start with it. In this chapter, various techniques are given related to scientific management. All these techniques are developed by F.W. Taylor, that means Frederick Winslow Taylor. In total, 7 techniques are developed by him, but in this video, we will cover the first one, that is functional foremanship. This will be explained to you with the help of one diagram. Let's start with it. F.W. Taylor suggested the whole management of a factory should be divided into 2 divisions, and the senior-most person is called as factory manager. F.W. Taylor said that planning and execution must be separated. One division head is planning in charge and another division head is production in charge. Then 4 specialists or professionals will work under planning in charge, and in the same way 4 specialists or professionals will work under production in charge. Now we will discuss the function of each professional under functional foremanship. The first one is instruction card clerk. The main function of this clerk is to give guidelines or instructions to the people who are working in a factory. All the guidelines first will be formulated, then the same will be conveyed to the people. Next is time and cost clerk. This clerk will be held responsible for the preparation of 2 kind of sheet. One is time sheet, another is cost sheet. Under time sheet, standard time will be determined, and under cost sheet, standard cost will be mentioned. Next one is route clerk. Route clerk will specify the path for the production, or he is held responsible for determining the various stages in the production process. Next is disciplinarian. As it is clear from the name only that this person will be held responsible to maintain discipline in a factory. Now move to the another side of the diagram, that is production division. Production in charge will be held responsible for all the activities under production division. Now, the first term under this division is gang boss. This is one of the most important term for 1 mark question. Gang boss is held responsible for the arrangement of all kinds of machineries, tools, equipments which are required for the production process. I repeat, gang boss is responsible for all kinds of arrangement of machineries, tools and equipments. The next one is speed boss. Speed boss is held responsible just to check the speed of the production process. If all the activities are completed within the standard time, it means speed is appropriate. And if activities are not completed within the given time, it means speed is slow. So speed boss will keep a watch on all these activities. Next is repair boss. Repair boss is held responsible for all kinds of repair maintenance of the machineries, tools or equipments. As we are talking about machineries here, so it's quite obvious that repair or maintenance will be required on timely basis. So this boss is responsible for all these activities. Last but not least is inspector. Inspector is held responsible to check the quality of the products. Quality must be standardized, and in all the aspects quality will be checked by inspector. So, F.W. Taylor suggested that these specialists must be hired in a factory to keep an eye on all the activities which are going on for the production process. In nutshell, we will say that functional foremanship is the most important technique developed by F.W. Taylor. And all these experts will give the instructions to the workers. Right? I hope it is clear to everyone. This is all about functional foremanship. Remaining techniques will be discussed very soon in my next video.